Hi, my name is Gary and thank you for watching. Today I'd like to share with you my latest creation, the trike body kit for the Vanderhall Carmel series. But before I start, if you've been following the channel and you're a fan of the Riker kits, we are bringing back the Riker body kit, so you can get updates on that on our website. Also, moving forward, I will be doing more custom builds like this one, not only on three-wheelers, but also on bikes and cars. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you can get updates when I have something new. The tri-brown design is my expression of what a three-wheel version of a muscle car meet exotic car would look like. This iteration of the tri-brown is built to fit and complement the original design of all the Vanderhall Carmel models, and we have it displayed on the Vanderhall Carmel Blackjack. If you haven't heard of or seen a Vanderhall Carmel before, here are a few shots showing an original Vanderhall Carmel Blackjack. Also, while all the Vanderhall Carmel models come with a half or full windshield, we opted for a custom low-rise tinted deflector. This is a great option if you like the wind-in-your-face experience while cruising and wearing a helmet at highway speeds. The tri-brown Vanderhall conversion not only completely changes the appearance of the Vanderhall, but it also adds a comfort element and improved side impact protection to its occupants. We created a wider and more comfortable sill to use as an armrest on top of the door panel, and we added vertical and horizontal brace bars to the doors that create an increased buffer zone between the occupants and another vehicle in the case of a sideways collision. Please visit our website for more information, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I bid you safe riding.